YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today to do another planning with you, Bible sketchnoting. So we just finished the book of 1 Kings, and this is the overview of that, the United Kingdom and Divided Kingdom, and we did our three outlines on that one. So now we're getting ready to do the outline, the survey of 2 Kings. So I'm going to put it on fast forward. We're going to do outline of 2 Kings, priestly view, and all these divisions of these kings and what's going on with them. And we will do that, and I will be right back. So hold tight and watch, and we will see where it takes us. Alrighty, we are back, and we are done. So, this is just a quick overview of 2 Kings. And the keys to 2 Kings, the key word is captivities of the kingdom. And the author, we're going to attribute it to the same one, which is 1 Kings, which was believed to be Jeremiah. And again, because, it doesn't explicitly say that, I just put a question mark there, but Jeremiah is the accepted author. And this is a prophetic view of the division of the kingdom, and this is from 853 BC to 560 BC, which is before Christ. And then the verses that are key are 2 Kings 17, 22 to 23, 2 Kings 23, verse 27, and the key chapter is 2 Kings 25. And so the focus, first half, is about the divided kingdom. And it's about the ministry of Elijah under Ahaziah and Jeroboam, and then the reigns of 10 kings of Israel and 8 kings of Judah, and the fall of Israel. And that's from can't even talk, Isaiah to Hosea, and that's Israel and Judah. And then it's all the way from Israel being deported to Syria, and that's a 131-year period, 853 to 722 BC. Then the second half of the book is about surviving the kingdom. Here we see the reigns of Hezekiah and 2 evil kings, the reigns of Josiah and 4 evil kings, and then the fall of Judah. So Hezekiah to Zedekiah, and then this is in Judah. And this is Judah being deported to Babylon, and that's a 156-year period, 715 to 560 BC. The key things that we see here is that there are a prophet here, Elijah and Elijah, that's big in this time period. We see that there's a lot of evil kings on both sides, whether you're in Israel or Judah. And we also both see the collapse of both Israel and Judah. And then we both see the deportation of Assyria and deportation to Babylon. And so they are getting scattered. They are getting taken away because of their rebellion. So, and again, this is from the priestly view. So this is 2 Kings, and so thank you so much for taking the time to watch, like, and subscribe. I pray that you're, visually representing what you're learning, however you want to do that. Write it down, read it, whatever. But just get it on paper. I use what I've shown multiple times before. I use Nelson's Complete Book of the Bible, and that is my reference guide to help me just put it all together. And there's also many other divisions and things, whatever you want to use that is biblically sound and makes sense to you, feel free to do that, so you can help visually represent what this book is about. It helps you remember the voice and the direction that the book is going in when you know a survey of the book. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to read God's word. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.